Activate Sport is the nation's largest sports academy provider. With over 100 venues nationwide, 230 weeks of continuous programming sees 17,000 students come through the Sports Academy program each year. Most unique is that every sports academy is synonymous with a celebrity sporting role model. Activate Sport has been at the forefront of working with major corporate brands to change how sport is delivered in the UK, and in 2011, with our former sponsors the Cooperative and the support of Procter & Gamble, Activate Sport launched the Active Culture campaign. This huge nationwide healthy lifestyle program went across 80,000 students and 200 schools. With over 10 years experience nationwide in children's sports delivery, Activate Sport understand what it takes to engage every child in sport. January 2014 saw the government-funded Activity Commission release their findings of the Millennium Cohort Study. It was recognised that only 50% of 7-year-olds achieve the recommended amount of physical activity, the outcomes of which will see an increase in obesity, diabetes and many more health disorders. Physical inactivity costs the UK economy £20 billion. This study also stated that those schools in deprived areas struggle the most with children being active and participating within school and out of school sport. Together, there is a huge opportunity to reach out to these forgotten children and ensure their lives are both healthy and sportingly active. That is why, in partnership with Kellogg's, Activate Sport want to roll out nationwide the Weird and Wonderful Sport in Schools programme. One of the main obstacles to physical activity of children is the lack of space to play, or indeed the lack of facilities. Such barriers prevent traditional sports from being played, and this is only going to get harder. An audit commission in 2006 suggested it would take a minimum investment of £550 million in public sport facilities to meet the then government's sport and physical activity aspirations. Thus far, only £80 million of which is set for facilities. There is a huge shortfall. This problem is not going away, and if we are to reach out to these children that so evidently continuously are not reached, we must get creative, we must be different. Ofsted, the national governing body for the regulation of UK schools, identified alternative sports improved engagement, particularly amongst vulnerable children. Activate Sport has designed the Weird and Wonderful Sports curriculum. This delivers non-traditional, alternative sports designed for these schools with little playing space and even fewer facilities and resources. Together, Activate Sport and Kellogg's can take the Weird and Wonderful Sports programme nationwide across breakfast clubs, lunch, or after-school play clubs, or indeed throughout the school term time curriculum.